Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to a Volkswagen Jetta. Start by turning on Bluetooth on your phone and setting the Jetta infotainment to pairing mode. Next, search for nearby devices on your phone and select the Jetta entry. Confirm any PIN prompts on both screens and accept permissions for contacts and media. Finally, test a call and audio playback to verify the connection is stable and working. Pairing is straightforward and only takes a few minutes when you follow the prompts. First, open the Bluetooth menu in the Jetta and choose Add Device or Pair New Device. Then, on your phone, select the corresponding car name and confirm the PIN shown on both displays. Accept the permission requests for contacts and audio. Finally, test calling a contact and play a music track to ensure features like hands-free calling and streaming work as if pairing fails, stay calm and try a few quick fixes that usually work. Reboot your phone and the Jetta infotainment to clear temporary glitches. Remove any previous Jetta listings from your phone and reinitiate pairing from a fresh state. If problems persist, check for software updates on both devices and ensure Bluetooth is not blocked by a phone profile or power save mode. These steps resolve most common connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.